Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to download and install a Tinder dating app in your device. If you use Android phone, then go to Google Play Store. If you use iPhone, then go to App Store and search Tinder dating app on the search box. Then you will get this application. So you can see this is amazing app. Many people already use this app. If you really want to talk, or if you really want to make friendship, or if you really want your partner, then this app is good for you. So what you need to do, you can see the install button. Simply tap on the install. So it takes few time to install in your device. So it's only 66 megabyte. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.